Hi, this is Charlie, and today we're going to talk about collagen. Now, I was doing some research for this video, and I learned a whole lot more about collagen than I previously knew. I've been taking collagen for years, but after digging into all that it can do for the human body, I was amazed. There are a lot of manufacturers of collagen, and at the end of this video, I will tell you what I think is the best brand and best price available. Collagen, the most abundant protein in the human body, plays a crucial role in the structure and function of skin, bones, joints, and connective tissues. As we age, natural collagen production declines, leading to various health issues. Collagen powder supplements have gained popularity for their potential benefits in promoting overall health and well-being. Faster wound healing. Collagen is a primary component of the skin structure, and its role in wound healing is significant. When the skin is damaged, collagen helps to rebuild the skin matrix, promoting the repair of tissues and faster wound closure. Studies have shown that collagen supplements can enhance the wound healing process by providing the necessary building blocks for new tissue formation and reducing inflammation at the wound site. Stronger bones. Bones are composed primarily of collagen, which gives them strength and structure. As we age, collagen levels decrease, leading to a reduction in bone density and an increased risk of fractures and osteoporosis. Collagen supplements can help maintain bone health by stimulating collagen synthesis in the bone matrix, improving bone mineral density, and reducing the risk of bone-related diseases. This makes collagen powder a valuable supplement for older adults and those at risk of bone loss. More flexible joints. Joints rely on collagen for their structure and smooth functioning. Cartilage, the tissue that cushions joints, is made up of collagen, which provides it with strength and elasticity. With age and wear and tear, cartilage can degrade, leading to joint pain and stiffness. Collagen supplements have been shown to support joint health by reducing inflammation, maintaining cartilage integrity, and improving joint flexibility and mobility. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals with arthritis or those who engage in high-impact activities. Easier digestion. Collagen contains amino acids such as glycine and glutamine, which are essential for gut health. These amino acids help to repair the intestinal lining, reduce inflammation, and support the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Collagen supplements can aid in digestion by promoting a healthy gut barrier, reducing symptoms of leaky gut syndrome, and alleviating gastrointestinal issues such as bloating and indigestion. Improved gut health also enhances nutrient absorption, contributing to overall well-being. Healthier heart. Collagen plays a role in maintaining the structure and function of blood vessels, including arteries. A decrease in collagen can lead to weakened arteries and an increased risk of cardiovascular diseases. Collagen supplements can help maintain heart health by strengthening the arterial walls, reducing arterial stiffness, and promoting healthy blood circulation. Additionally, collagen's anti-inflammatory properties can contribute to a lower risk of heart disease by reducing inflammation in the cardiovascular system. Younger-looking skin. One of the most well-known benefits of collagen supplements is their impact on skin health. Collagen is a major component of the skin, providing it with strength, elasticity, and hydration. As collagen production decreases with age, the skin becomes more prone to wrinkles, sagging, and dryness. Collagen supplements can help combat these signs of aging by increasing collagen levels in the skin, improving skin elasticity, reducing wrinkles, and enhancing overall skin hydration and texture. Regular supplementation can result in a more youthful and radiant complexion. Conclusion. Collagen powder supplements offer a wide range of benefits that can improve overall health and quality of life. From faster wound healing and stronger bones to more flexible joints, easier digestion, a healthier heart, and younger-looking skin, collagen plays a vital role in maintaining the body's structure and function. Incorporating collagen powder into your daily routine can provide these health benefits, particularly as natural collagen production declines with age. My wife has been using collagen for 5 years, and her friends often comment on how great her skin looks. I've been taking it as well, but my focus is more on building stronger bones and achieving more flexible joints. I'm fully committed to the benefits of collagen. I hope you found this information helpful. Subscribe to the daily videos and don't forget to subscribe to Senior Fitness Updates for emails on workout and fitness tips. Thanks.